Dokładnie.
Training man. Training man. Hallelujah.
That's gay as fuck, by the way.
No one's gay. Your mom.
That's what she said. Oh, my fucking mirror moved. No. Hey, what is up, you guys? My name is MOTO.BANDYTA, and here is another moto vlog with me. And today we have a special guest, Natalia, with us. Yeah, let the car come past. So Natalia currently is riding Honda Cbr 125. There it is. Hello. Thank you so much. Now you're giving me extra work in post-production to blur your fucking license plate. So yeah, today is gonna be a bit different regardless to the motor vlog. Natalia is going to talk about her bike. So tell us something about your bike.
It's a Honda.
Szybsza niż wygląda. Where are we going? Me either. Why not? Let's go ahead. So we need to find a place to take some nice pictures. Any ideas? Ouch, ouch. See how it is? So yeah, like I said, Natalia is riding a Honda 125. It's like, I believe it... Okay, the fox on the Honda. Alright, so the fox on the Honda is riding 125 CBR. It comes with 15 horsepower as I'm aware of. It's a 17th plate. It has like a aftermarket exhaust as far as I see it. Oh shit.
Indicator eller nej.
Told you, watch your language. Family friendly. What? Why are you all the way there? What's wrong with you? Because fuck life. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna name the motor vlog shit content. Sounds like a plan. By the way, why are you trusting me with the choosing the direction? You fucking crazy, mate? What's wrong with you? Of course, of course. Where are you at? I thought you have a faster bike than mine. I don't see you. Then hurry the fuck up. Then hurry up. Welcome, my guy, to my secret spot.
Your secret spot is a pub?
Yes. You should know this by now, I'm Polish.
Okay.
No chodź tu, nie gryzę. Kimija, kimija, kimija.
Not really got the grip.
Look at them tiny legs. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yes, you made it. Well done, you. Ah, so would you like a drink or something? It's a nice place. I could do some walk arounds on your bike and shit, you know, for the vlog.
For the vlog.
Of course, for the vlog.
The views.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah, ayy, and pay me what I'm owed, yeah, 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 all this money on me, yeah, yeah, cash rules all around me, yeah, yeah, all this money around me, yeah, yeah, cash rules all around me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sit brown till I'm flushed, huh? My drip drip real plush, huh? Internet tea off a blue pill. Hand grip stack of the blue cheese. Turn that to a bag of the